Did you know there are actual free softwares out there that you can use to make money on YouTube? You can actually easily start earning $200, $300, $400 a day or even more doing just whiteboard animation videos. Anyone can create a whiteboard style animated video without any design or technical knowledge. All you really need is a message, an idea, or something to communicate to your viewers. So, if you don't have filming tools to shoot a video, maybe you just don't know how to make a killing video, or you are simply too shy to be in front of a camera, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can start making money with whiteboard animated videos on YouTube using just a free whiteboard software. So, if you still do not know, whiteboard animation is nothing more than an animated video that looks something like this, basically telling you a story in a video form. Your viewers can easily see the whole drawing process, which is actually engaging because they see the story unfold in front of their very eyes. Whiteboard videos are actually easier to make than actual videos because you don't have to shoot the videos yourself. It's all done with just a software. The only problem is that most of the whiteboard animated softwares are paid services. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a whiteboard animation software for free. I'll also be showing you examples of channels creating and making money with whiteboard videos. Then we'll quickly look at how to use other free tools to create engaging videos that will start making you money on YouTube. And finally, if you keep watching this video till the end, I'll also be showing you 3 ways of making money with the whiteboard videos you create. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making money on YouTube without spending much of your time creating and uploading videos, you might be interested in checking out my YouTube automation tips and ideas playlist that pops up on the top right of this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And let's get started. Xplay is an automated video creation platform that allows video creators to create powerful and efficient videos. You can join Xplay by simply creating an account or simply signing in using any of these platforms. So after signing in into Xplay, you'll be asked to choose any of these options. It really doesn't matter. You can always change it or just go with others here. After signing into Xplay, you'll be taken to this dashboard, and here where it says start a new video, you want to click on start blank here. Now if it's your first time of logging into your Xplay account, you'll be prompted to start by getting familiar with the tool. So Xplay will walk you through some of the basic steps on how to use these features, and it's really that easy. Basically, the platform provides a whiteboard animation or video scribing feature that lets users explain their ideas and information in an interesting way. There are over 6,000 animations available within this software that helps to reduce users' extra work of illustrating their ideas and helps them gain audience attention. You see, with Xplay, just like most of these type of whiteboard features, creators can bring any picture, drawing, or even schemas into life. You can easily fade, pin, pop, and transition effects in your whiteboard videos on Xplay. You also have the option of adding sound effects in the videos to make them engaging. Xplay also has a text-to-speech system that allows creators to add voice in their video. I'll be dropping a link below this video where you can get detailed step-by-step tutorials on how to use each of these features on Xplay effectively. Now, here are some examples of channels on YouTube that are creating videos similar to whiteboard softwares. You can go through channels like After School, which has generated over 2 million subscribers. You want to watch through some of the videos like this on this channel just to get an idea of how to start making money with whiteboard videos on YouTube. Minute Earth is another whiteboard channel you might want to check out. As you can see, these channel videos are also generating tons of views within a very short time. Now, when it comes to making money with whiteboard videos on YouTube, let's first start with the most popular way of monetizing videos, which is with the YouTube AdSense program. So, to be able to monetize your channel with the YouTube AdSense program, your channel needs to first reach at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. These are recommendations set by YouTube for creators on their platform. So, for example, if you take a look at the After School channel on Social Blade, which is the site used for estimating how much a channel is making on YouTube, you will see that the channel is making between 700 to 11,000 euros a month and between 8,000 to over 140,000 yearly. So after reaching the set YouTube recommendations, you can be rest assured your video will be monetized if you want to make money on YouTube using the YouTube AdSense program. The second way of making money with whiteboard animated videos is with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically promoting other people's products for a certain percentage as commissions. You can join sites like ClickBank, JVZoo or Amazon, where you will find different products from different niches to promote. So you want to select any product that relates to your channel niche from any of these platforms you join. Then you want to get the affiliate link of the product that relates to your channel and add it in your video descriptions. Whenever viewers click on the link and make a purchase, you'll get some commissions. The third and most powerful way of making money with whiteboard videos is by selling your video skills on freelance websites. That simply means you can start creating custom videos on behalf of others on freelance websites. But where will you get people to start creating these custom videos for them, you may ask? Well, you can easily get people or clients that will pay you hundreds, even thousands of dollars for creating just one whiteboard videos from sites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Pay Per Hour, freelance.com, and even from your own website if you have created one. The fourth way you can start making money with your whiteboard videos, and just to mention, this is a bonus tip I'm sharing with you. The fourth way you can make money with these types of videos is by sharing your knowledge in an online course. So in the case of online courses, you are not just creating and selling custom videos, you are also selling your knowledge. So if you are an expert in any field, turning your expertise into an online course is not only easier than you might think, but it's also a great way of making an extra income. Combined with the fact that whiteboard animations have been proven to improve knowledge retention by up to 15% and holds attention for a whole lot longer, which means they are a much more effective tool for learning than a talking head video. You don't also want to forget the added benefit of not being in front of a camera if you don't want to. Basically, making a whiteboard animation video is a win-win situation. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.